Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajpoot from Desi TV USA. Let me take you to the special news. Californians plead guilty in $600 million nationwide catalytic converter theft scheme. 3 members of a California family pleaded guilty Monday to conspiracy for their role in a ring that shipped $600 million worth of stolen catalytic converters from California to New Jersey, federal prosecutors said. Brother Thoso Wing, 32, and Andrew Wong, 28, along with their mother Monica, 58, were part of a national network of thieves, dealers and processors who provided the stolen auto anti-smog devices to a metal refinery for more than $600 million, according to a statement from the U.S. Attorney's Office. Trump scheduled to be questioned in lawsuits from ex-FBI employees who sent negative text about him. Donald Trump is said to be questioned under oath. As part of lawsuits, Donald Trump is scheduled to be questioned under oath Tuesday as part of lawsuits from 2 former FBI employees who provoked the former president's outrage after sending each other pejorative text messages about him. Peter, who was a lead agent in the FBI's investigations into ties between Russia and the 2016 Trump campaign, has alleged in a lawsuit against the Justice Department that he was wrongfully fired for exercising his First Amendment rights when he and a colleague traded anti-Trump text messages in the week before he became. Republicans will try to elect Trump ally Rep. Jim Jordan as House Speaker, but GOP holdouts remain. Republicans will try to elect a firebrand Rep. Jim Jordan as the new House Speaker, elevating a chief ally of Donald Trump to a center seat of U.S. power and showing just how far the hard right flank has moved into the GOP mainstream. On Tuesday, the House is scheduled to start voting at noon in what could become a showdown for the gavel. At least a handful of holdout Republicans are refusing to give Jordan their votes, viewing the Ohio Republicans as too extreme for the powerful position of the House Speaker, second in line to the presidency. Israel suspends military exports to Colombia over its president's criticism of Gaza siege. Israel has suspended security export to Colombia in an escalating diplomatic spat over online messages by Colombia's president comparing Israel's siege of Gaza to the actions of Nazi Germany. Colombian President Gustavo Petro has doubled down on his criticism of Israel and suggested that his country may need to suspend diplomatic relations with Israel, with his foreign minister has suggested Israel's ambassador should leave the country. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share and comment.